Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you from our Atlanta headquarters. And today I've got my Tesla Model 3 Highland here, and I want to share with you the current wheels that we're running on this. Say hello to the TSW115A. This is the super wide Aero wheel that we've developed for Tesla. Now, you might have seen these. I have a very similar style on my Model S Plaid, but when I got the Highland, I love these wheels and I wanted to have the same thing. Let me go through the basics on this wheel. It's a T-Sportline wheel, so it's made specifically for the Tesla, but what's unique with this TSW115A Aero wheel is a few things. First of all, it's a super wide fitment. And what that means is we've added a 1/2 inch width to the wheel. So these are 9.5 in the front, 10.5 in the back. It's a staggered fitment. And then we've adjusted the offset to get these poked out where they're super flush. Now, traditionally, T-Sportline is selling OEM fitment or OEM plus type wheels, and they're not as aggressive, but these are an aggressive look, but not too aggressive. This is guaranteed not to rub. That's what's special here. These are the widest wheels with the most offset for the poke look, the very high performance flush fitment look. It's allowing me to run wider tires and of course not rub on the fenders. So I've got a 265/30 in the front, a 285/30 in the back. These are still 20-inch wheels. I don't want to go 21 inches because then you're hitting potholes and things like that and really compromised and likely to pop a tire if you happen to hit a pothole. So 20 inches, not going to be real trouble or problematic with potholes. Wider tires. These are offset to be flush looking, and the Model 3 Highland or Model 3, even the classic Model 3, they look amazing and super sporty with this wheel. Definitely my favorite wheel. It's a split 5-spoke wheel with the Aero feature around the perimeter. It just looks amazing. It's good Tesla DNA. It's got that T-Sportline sporty look. Comes with the T-Sportline center caps. We also offer Tesla authentic center caps. You can use either one depending on how you want it to look. We've got the black plastic lug nut covers on right now, but we also have titanium lug nuts or black steel lug nuts. So you can tune it up however you want it to look. And these are fully forged wheels. Now we offer flow forged wheels or fully forged wheels. Fully forged for this super aggressive, high performance look. They're going to be a lighter weight construction and the strongest wheel that we offer. Of course, it's load rated properly for the Tesla. And as usual with all T-Sportline wheels, works with factory lug nuts. It's got the proper center hub. There's no spacers, no adapters, no rings like that. Everything just bolts on and goes. All right, everybody, final note. The Highland is sitting at the stock ride height right now. I kind of prefer it lowered, so we're gonna go put our lowering springs on this, and that's gonna reduce the gap between the wheel and the fender. But I wanted to show you in stock format so you know what it looks like right out of the box. Okay, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of these wheels. I've got them in satin black. What color would you want to see them in? All right. And then subscribe to the channel and come back soon because we've got a lot more for the Model 3 Highland coming your way.